and thank you for requesting information about our revolutionary breakthrough treatment for ADHD, autism, Asperger's, as well as many other neurological conditions. I'm Dr. Todd Woodward, owner of Cognitive Solutions. I'll be spending a few minutes with you discussing our treatment and how it can help you, a family member, or a friend. Here at Cognitive Solutions, we utilize the BrainCore Therapy neurofeedback system, which is the most advanced neurofeedback system in the world today. You may or may not be familiar with neurofeedback, so I'll take a few moments to explain it. Follow me to the therapy room. BrainCore Therapy is a type of biofeedback and is a guided exercise for the brain. It is actually a learning modality designed to retrain dysregulated brainwave patterns. The goal of all neurofeedback is to transform an unhealthy, dysregulated brainwave pattern into a normal, healthy, organized one. By doing this, the brain becomes more stable and is able to optimally and efficiently operate. Neurofeedback training uses modern devices such as this to provide moment-to-moment information to the doctor on the state of the patient's neurological functioning. When you have information on what your brainwaves are doing, your brain can use that information to actually change how it works. In order to determine if a patient will qualify for care, a comprehensive assessment is performed utilizing the QEEG brain cap. This assessment procedure allows me to determine in a scientifically objective manner whether a patient's brainwave patterns are different from normal. Neurofeedback is completely non-invasive, effective, and is considered extremely safe. In fact, the FDA recognized that neurofeedback has never produced a serious side effect since it was first discovered over 40 years ago. Published scientific research has demonstrated neurofeedback's efficacy in managing many neurological conditions such as ADHD, autism, Asperger's, insomnia, learning disorders, post-stroke syndrome, anxiety and panic attacks, as well as many others. In fact, Dr. Frank H. Duffy, a professor and pediatric neurologist at Harvard Medical School, stated, "Neurofeedback should play a major therapeutic role in many difficult areas." In his opinion, if any medication had demonstrated such a wide spectrum of efficacy, it would be universally accepted and widely used. On average, ADHD patients experience a 76% reduction in symptoms. Can you imagine life or the life of a child that improved by 76%? We can. We see the dramatic changes every day. They are miracle-like improvements for families and individuals challenged by their symptoms. Many of our patients come to us as a last resort, and that's not their fault. This therapy is not widely known, but it is much more effective than medication with no negative side effects. Call today to see if you qualify for care. What do you have to lose but the symptoms? I invite you to call now, 208-938-1976.